Good morning. How is everyone? Awake? All right, if the jurors could make sure that they're up front, there are seats for you. And these are jurors for the hackathon. This is the final round of the hackathon jury and judging. Great. So I'd like you to welcome to this on stage with me is Scott Hendrickson from Twitter and Kirsten Moody from Unilever, our sponsors of the hackathon, in addition to Dstillery, myself, and my colleague Claudia. In the front, I'm used to walking around, sorry about that. In the front, you'll see the jury, and here they are in front of you here. And they're the ones who have gone through this weekend in Madrid, judging not only the quantitative, but the qualitative, which took place yesterday. And Scott's going to tell you exactly why we did this hackathon.
Thank you. And I wanted to say thank you to all of the participants in the hackathon. We had 14 teams, as you just saw previously, and there was a great deal of creativity and hard work applied, and a little bit of pain with the sleepless night. And I really appreciated the effort that the teams put into the hackathon. So the question posed was to start with with a sample of raw Twitter data from 2015 and make a prediction about the first quarter of 2016. And to make it a very specific challenge, we focused on a predetermined list of hashtags around hair care and hair care products, as they were mentioned in casual conversations on Twitter. So the contestants started out by digging through the Twitter data and pulling out the pieces of the data that they thought they needed for the modeling exercise they were going to do, and then making their predictions and turning those in by the end of the hackathon.
Sounds like a mission impossible to me.
Sorry, we're about to close. Looking for anything in particular?
Something rare.
Let me guess. Classical.
Machine.
Learning.
Unsupervised.
Algorithm.
Base.
Hidden Markov in a static network.
Hidden Markov in a dynamic network.
Do you know why they call it hidden?
Because they are unobserved states.
You're in luck. I have a fresh install.
Good morning, Mr. Rick. Trends are important for consumer product development and marketing optimization. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to find a methodology which can be used to predict the next trends using Twitter data in certain consumer product categories like hair care. As always, should you or any member of your impossible hackathon mission force be befuddled or lost in the weeds, the chairman will disavow any knowledge of your actions. This laptop will self-destruct in 5 seconds.
Let's hack.
So you can see we've had a lot of fun the last couple days. And just to give you an idea of what we will be scoring today, the two top teams in each tier, we had 2 tiers, Tier 1, Tier 2, based off of their time in using data science and familiarity with hackathons. are going to present their session again to this group. Now, the jury has already seen these slides, but they've been reworked over the last 24 hours. So 24 hours to do the hackathon, figure out the quantitative and the qualitative in terms of presenting how did they solve it, what is the value, and then again, in front of you, to show what is the value of the solution that they provided using Twitter data for Unilever and others. Business value, storytelling, art, and technology are very important, and that's what we'll be using today to grade these things again. So the finalists, each finalist team will come up, present for 7 minutes, and then there will be a 3-minute question and answer by the jury. And then we'll continue. There's 4 of them.